Hey guys, I'm Rashida and thanks for joining me. Let's make our tomato sauce. This is a no-cook tomato sauce. We're gonna use all dried herbs so the flavor infuses a little faster. The crushed tomatoes straight out of the can. Add our herbs and spices to the olive oil, mix that really nicely. Add that to the tomato sauce, make sure that's mixed really well. Divide it into 2 different jars and toss that in the fridge. And let's get started on our pizza sauce. Here we have our crushed tomatoes, just crushed tomatoes, nothing special here, just out of the can. I have a couple tablespoons of olive oil, garlic powder, red pepper flake, I have dried basil, and I have dried oregano. Let's not forget the salt and the sugar. Right, I want a really flavorful sauce. Let's start with the olive oil here. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic powder. I like a little spice as well. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of red pepper flake. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of dried basil. About a tablespoon of oregano. So I'm just gonna make this into a little paste. It's basically dried chimichurri. We're gonna bring our tomato sauce back. I'm just gonna spoon this into our tomato sauce and just mix our tomato sauce. Just incorporate this into our tomato sauce. A tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of salt. And the longer this tomato sauce sits, the more flavorful it's gonna be. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that's a nice sauce. And I really like a nice spiced, herbaceous, flavorful sauce. So the sauce is gonna cook in the oven. That's why we're not cooking it now. So this sauce is done. So we got 2 pint jars of our sauce ready to go. We're gonna put the lids on, get that in the refrigerator. How easy was that? That took us less than 5 minutes. We didn't puree it in a blender, so it still has some texture to it. You're gonna get pops of the tomato. I'm excited by this sauce. I can't wait. I was eating it just now. Why don't you subscribe to my channel? I cook from my soul, cook from my heart. Can't wait to cook with you guys next week. Eat something good, feed your soul. Ciao.